Do you ever have playback issues on your laptop or in Premiere Pro that are so bad you actually think something is wrong with the footage? Well, that's why today we're going to talk about proxies. What is a proxy? Well, you can think of proxies as a low resolution video file that takes the place of a high resolution video file, allowing you to edit much faster without the lag and computational strain. Before jumping into it, on my MacBook Pro, I'm generally able to edit 4K 30 FPS footage without the need for proxies. But now I have a ton of footage from being on the Aftermovie team at the Group Therapy Weekender that was shot in these settings. And my laptop and Premiere Pro can't play the 4K 60 FPS footage back because of how large the files are. And that's where proxies come into play. Now in Premiere Pro, I have 2 videos from the Weekender already on the timeline. And if I try to click play to watch the footage, well, there's major lag and it's skipping a lot of frames. So obviously this would be impossible to edit, which leads us to how we create a proxy file. It's actually really simple. All you need to do is highlight all of your clips in your project window. In this case, we just have the 2, and then right or double click and then hover over proxy. Then click create proxies. And as soon as you click create proxies, a dialog box is going to pop up. Under format, I've only been using QuickTime. And for preset, you can choose any resolution that you like, but I've found that I really like Cineform low resolution proxy because Cineform works on both Mac and PC. Now under destination, I'll leave it as next to original media, and that will create a folder where the 2 video files are, just to stay organized. And now we can click OK. And as soon as you click OK, Adobe Media Encoder is going to open up and start creating these proxies automatically. And as soon as Media Encoder finishes, you're going to see that in the folder where the 2 clips are, there's now a new folder called Proxies in it. And in that folder, you're going to see all of your new proxy files that you just exported. So what does this mean? Because if we go back into Premiere Pro, the footage is still lagging and choppy. And that's because we actually have to toggle the proxies on now. In order to do this, click the plus sign in the program window, and it will pull up all of the button editors you can choose from. Find the one that says toggle proxies and drag it down by the other buttons so you can find it later and click OK. And now if we click the toggle proxies button, it will turn blue and it will enable the proxies, also indicated by the new proxy symbols on the clips turning blue as well. So now when we press play, all the lag and choppiness is gone and it's not skipping any frames at all. And you can use proxy files on any clips. It doesn't just have to be the super large clips that have choppy playback. So more good news regarding proxies is that whenever you export your final video, it will actually export the full resolution file with all of your edits applied. Thank you for watching, liking, and subscribing, guys. I hope you now understand why proxies are so important for faster editing. For more Premiere Pro tips and tricks for editing concert or festival footage, check out one of the videos on your screen now, and I'll see you there.